Good morning, children. This is class 4th EBS book, Lesson 2, explanation of lesson 7, water. As we all know that water is one of the most important substance for life on earth to function. It is equally important for humans as well as animals. Water does not merely help us survive, but it is significant for our day-to-day functioning. Water is used for drinking, cleaning dishes, cooking, watering plants, washing clothes, bathing, generation of hydroelectricity, etc. Now, sources of water. The main source of water is the rainwater. The water cycle is a process that involves evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, and the output is rainwater. The water source is important in the water cycle. Rain is needed as a source of fresh water, which is essential for the survival of humans, plants, and animals. Rains fills aquifers, lakes, and rivers, etc. Now, let us know about water cycle. Rain fills all water bodies like rivers, ponds, lakes, and oceans. Some of the rainwater goes underground. A part of this underground water is used by plants and the rest is taken out by human beings from wells, hand pumps and tube wells. Water from ponds, rivers and seas evaporate to form clouds, and these clouds again form rain. This is called the water cycle. The cycle of processes by which water circulates between the earth's ocean, atmosphere and land, involving precipitation as rain and snow, drainage in streams and rivers, and return to the atmosphere by evaporation and transpiration. Let us know about evaporation. Evaporation happens when a liquid turns into a gas. When liquid water reaches a low enough temperature, it freezes and becomes a solid ice. When solid water is exposed to enough heat, it will melt and return to a liquid. As that liquid water is further heated, it evaporates and becomes a gas, water vapor. Water which collects as droplets on a cold surface when humid air is in contact with it. The inside of the cap steamed up with condensation, or condensation is the process where water vapor becomes liquid. It is the reverse of evaporation, where liquid water becomes a vapor. Condensation happens one of two ways. Either the air is cooled to its dew points, or it's become so saturated with water vapor that it cannot hold any more water. Precipitation is water released from clouds in the form of rain, freezing rain, sleet, snow or hail. It is the primary connection in the water cycle that provides water that provides for the delivery of atmospheric water to the earth. Most precipitation falls as rain. Transpiration is the process in which plants release the water inside it in the form of moisture or water vapor. Roots consume some amount of water from the soil and the rest evaporates in the atmosphere. Parts of plants such as stems, small pores on leaves and flowers evaporate the water to the atmosphere.